Hey everyone, welcome back. Getting an authentication busy error in Klarna when trying to make a payment. Here's what's causing it and how to clear it. The authentication busy error in Klarna means the app's authentication process has a conflict. Usually, a server delay from Klarna's end that the app hasn't recovered from on its own. First, force close the Klarna completely from your recent apps and reopen it fresh. This alone clears the busy state in most cases, since a fresh session starts new authentication handshake rather than retrying the same stuck one. If it proceeds, go to Settings, go to General, iPhone Storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find Klarna, then tap Offload the app. After offloading it, reinstall it fresh from App Store. This will clear any corrupted authentication cache. After reinstalling, also check status.klarna.com in Safari to confirm there isn't an active backend incident. Since Klarna has had multiple payment authentication incidents in the last 90 days that produced the exact error for users. If the status page shows all clears and the error continues, contact Klarna's in-app support through the chat option. So all you gotta do is force close and reopen first. Most busy errors clears instantly. Offload and reinstall if not, and check status.klarna.com for active incidents, and that's it. Subscribe.